Hey, what's up guys? Welcome. This is my first video of 2020 and so far I'm loving it. And I'm also loving the leaks which have recently came out for the Galaxy S20 series. Yes guys, it has now been confirmed that Samsung will call it as the Galaxy S20 instead of the Galaxy S11, which I have already covered in deep in a previous video which you guys can check out from over here. Samsung has done more than just changing the name from S11 to S20, they also changed which name represents which phone. This year, wait, we just turned into 2020, so last year. Yeah, so last year the Galaxy S10e was the cheapest of their flagships, the S10 was the middle ground flagship and the S10 Plus was the big daddy top of the line flagship. Now for the 2020, the E name aka the Galaxy S20e has been removed. Taking its place is the Galaxy S20. So the S20 is now the cheapest of their flagships. The vacant place of the S20 gets filled with the Galaxy S20 Plus. So the S20 Plus is now the middle ground flagship. And this begs the question that what is the big daddy going to be called? Well, it's the Galaxy S20 Ultra. The Ultra name has previously been used by HTC in the U Ultra and Sony as well on the Z Ultra. The Ultra name isn't quite at the level of Pro Max, but it's not too far behind either. I'm just happy that Samsung at least did not use the name Pro because I just hate it. I really do. There's nothing particularly professional about these phones and they still use the name Pro. Samsung's decision to scrap the Galaxy S20e seems to be inspired from Apple, as they have also recently scrapped the iPhone R series. And this is all mind games. The reason is that by having a R or E behind the phone's name, the phone gets branded as a cheap phone and for those who can't really afford the real thing, aka poor people's Galaxy S10. But by deliberately removing the R and E, they make the cheaper smartphones seem to be much more connected with their expensive siblings. I hope that made some sense. Alongside the Galaxy S20 series, we will also be seeing the new clamshell vertical folding Galaxy Fold, whose leaked images we got very recently. I have also covered that and the video will be present in the description or over here. The Galaxy Fold 2 is tipped to hit the markets even before the Galaxy S20 comes to sales. So we are gonna get a lot of interesting details in the coming days, which you can bet I will cover. So to stay updated, you guys must subscribe to the channel. Let me know your thoughts on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. I don't hate this new name, but neither am I the biggest fan. Follow me on Twitter from the link in the video description down below. Hit the like button for the Ultra and as always, thanks for watching.